So I got 3 conversions here I want to do, and this is going to be a short video. I said that I got 97.6 degrees Fahrenheit, and I want to know what is that in degrees Celsius. Well, the formula for degrees Celsius is degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. So what does that tell me? That tells me that in the place of the degrees Fahrenheit, I'm going to plug in 97.6, and I'm going to use a calculator to save on time. 97.6 minus 32. Then I'm going to divide that by 1.8, and I'm going to round this to the nearest tenths, and that's 36.4 degrees Celsius. There's a significant difference, which makes sense if you're subtracting and dividing. We know that there is a difference. Now, in this next one, I want to find out what is 43 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit. Well, Fahrenheit formula is 1.8 times degrees Celsius plus 32. So that tells me in the place of degrees Celsius, we are going to plug in 43. So that gives me 1.8 times 43 equals, and we're going to add on 32 and round that to the nearest hundreds, which that one worked out great. 109.4. That is a really high temperature. A lot of times degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit, when we get high temperatures, we're usually talking about cooking food, which that would be a lot higher than that. But in real life, if your temperature is usually 100 or more, it's pretty high. The last one I want to work out is that I got a person that's 5 foot tall, 7 inches. I want to know how many centimeters is that? Well, what we do know, we know for every 1 inch, there is 2.5 centimeters. And I'm going to change this equal sign to approximately because that's rounded to the nearest tenths. So let's set this up. Well, we know we got 7 inches, but we need to figure out what is 5 feet. Well, we know for every 1 foot, it is approximately 12 inches. So I'm going to convert this to inches, then add the 7 inches, and then times it by 2.5. So let's do this. We have 5 feet divided by 1 times my 12 inch over 1 foot. Well, that is what? 60 inches. Let's add that 7 inches to the 60. And we know that's 67 inches. So now we have this written in a format that we need. And I'm going to come over here and just erase this side of the board so I can use it. Okay. So now I have 67 inches. I'm going to put it over 1. And we said that for every 1 inch, it's 2.5 centimeters. We want the inches to reduce, and it did. 67 times 2.5 is approximately 167.5 centimeters.